Welcome to Firethorne Apartments in St. Charles. We're going to take a walkthrough of apartment number 1360F, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, upgraded elite unit. We're standing out here on the patio, and I should say balcony. Nice spot to put a table and a couple chairs in the summertime. And going into the living room. The living room has a natural brick fireplace, obviously cable ready, and as we head towards the entrance where we usually come in, we see the intercom to buzz people in. The entrance door is here, and we're going to look into the laundry room, separate laundry room with side-by-side washer dryer and a spot to hang up your stuff as you take it out. Right next door is the entry closet. And now we're looking at the living room as we would see it when we come into the apartment. So a nice spacious living room. And around the corner is the dining area and kitchen. Lots of room for a 4 or 6 seater table. And upgraded kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, including microwave. Lots of counter space. And this unit has a nice ceramic backsplash. In the sink we have a disposal unit, and hiding behind the door here is a nice pantry. Everybody loves a good pantry. Okay, we're going to go back out towards the living room, head around the corner and down the hallway. First door on the left is the first bathroom. Nice woodwork, matches the kitchen, and then a tub and shower. A little further down the hall, we have a linen closet. Lots of room here. And then we're into the second bedroom. Nice and bright. And we have a closet here. It's a very good size. Goes past wider than the doors. Lots of room here for a desk bed or a day bed for visitors or a second person living here. Every unit has central heat and central air. We're going into the master suite. Really good size, 14 by 12. And of course you noticed the light with the fan. Around the corner is your own private master bath. Again, nice finishes. And this one has a shower, stand-up shower. As we back up and go into the next door, this is a large walk-in closet. As we head back out towards the living room, you notice the building is sprinkled. Every room has sprinklers. And a last peek at the dining and kitchen area. So this is in downtown St. Charles, very close to Randall Road and Main Street, where you've got lots of restaurants, Costco, gas stations, and very centrally located. Give us a call if you'd like to take a look at it. We're always happy to show the apartments.